Hello children, today's topic is electric power. So let's start it. Electric power is the electrical work done per unit time. Means when electric current passes through conductor, electrical energy is used up and we say that current is doing work. मीन्स जब किसी कंडक्टर से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी करंट फ्लो किया जाता है तो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यूज्ड होता है और वी से कि वर्क इज करंट इज डूइंग वर्क सो वी कैन से रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क इज कॉल्ड पावर. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन पावर इक्वल टू वर्क डन अपॉन टाइम टेकन एंड SI यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज वॉट. And 1 watt we can write for work done, unit of work is joule and for time second, so 1 watt equal to joule per second and 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. It is clear? Very simple. So in one sentence, power is a work done per unit time. So learn this formula. You can write it P equal to W upon T. Now formula for calculating electric power. Just I explain what is power. Power equal to W upon T. So I have taken it as a equation 1. And we know that work done W by current I when it flows from time T under a potential difference V is given by W equal to V into I into T. Putting the value of W in equation 1. Because W equal to VIT, so at the place of W, P equal to V into I into T upon T. It is clear? Just look again, I repeat it. Power equal to work done upon time means W upon T, and at the place of W I have written V into I into T because W equal to VIT and ये T है ही. So this T and this T becomes ये, it will cut. Now what is left? P equal to VI. So this is the second formula. P is the power, V is the potential difference and I is the current. So we can say electric power equal to potential difference into current. One formula P equal to W upon T and another P equal to V into I. So when you solve the numericals, suppose work done and time is given and you have to calculate the power, then you applied this formula. But when potential difference and current is given and you have to calculate the power, in that case you will apply this formula means P equal to VI. Next, some other formula for calculating electric power. कई formula है इसके, मैंने already बता दिया है कि इसके 2-3 formula आते हैं which you will use for during the during solution of the numericals. Now P equal to VI, which I already solved it here. I saw P equal to VI, so here I have written P equal to V into I and I have taken it as a equation 1. And from Ohm's law, which I already explained in last video, V equal to IR, where V is a potential difference, I is a current and R is a resistance. Now putting the value of V in equation 1. तो P equal to VI है. So at the place of V I have written I into R and I already है, वो मैंने लिख दिया. So P equal to this I and this I, it becomes I square. तो P equal to I square into R, where I is current and R is a resistance. So still 3 formula I had given. P equal to W upon T, P equal to VI and now P equal to I square R. One more formula which I will give you. Power in terms of V and R. When potential difference and resistance is given, in that case how we will calculate power. So already you know P equal to VI. and from Ohm's law I equal to V upon R, because already I had given V equal to IR, Ohm's law की, तो V equal to IR, so I can write I equal to V upon R. Here V equal to IR I had given you na, so I also write I equal to V upon R. This thing I have written here. Now put the value of I for current in equation 1. अब मैं equation 1 में I का वैल्यू पुट करूंगी, तो क्या हो जाएगा, P equal to V and at the place of I will write V upon R. So V and V, multiply this V into this V, it becomes V square upon R. So the last formula of power equal to V square upon R, where V is a potential difference and R is a resistance. So today's video I had given 4 formula for power. One is a power equal to work done upon time, which is definition of power also. Unit of the power is a SI unit of power is a watt. So we can write P equal to W upon T. Second, I had given P equal to VI. Third formula I had given P equal to I square into R. And the last and fourth formula P equal to V square upon R. All are very important formula. You should learn it. And it is very important. You can use it for during solution of the numericals. Thank you.